Smart thermostats ensure your home stays at a comfortable temperature while saving you money and contributing to the fight against climate change by conserving energy more efficiently. The best part? The smartest models handle all of this automatically with features like programmable routines and detecting when you're coming home from work or school to make it cozy or cool just in time for your arrival. These thermostats make your life easier and more comfortable. So let's explore the top 5 smart thermostats for your home and find the perfect one for you. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat is an excellent choice for upgrading your home's climate control. This device features a large, high-definition touchscreen with intuitive menus, making it easy to use. The display's brightness adjusts automatically based on ambient lighting, ensuring it's always easy to read. One of the standout features is its compatibility with most HVAC systems, including gas, electric, oil, and heat pump systems. It's also equipped with a built-in level and illuminated easy-click terminals for straightforward DIY installation. You can control and monitor your thermostat from anywhere using the Sensi app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. This app allows you to adjust settings, create schedules, and receive alerts from anywhere. Additionally, it integrates smoothly with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, offering convenient voice control. The Sensi Touch 2 provides detailed usage reports and insights, helping you optimize your energy consumption. It includes flexible scheduling options and geofencing, automatically adjusting temperatures when you're away to save on heating and cooling costs. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat ST76 combines stylish design, smart functionality, and energy efficiency, making it a fantastic addition to any home. Upgrade your home's heating and cooling system with the Vine Programmable Thermostat. This feature-packed smart thermostat is designed for ease of use and energy efficiency. Boasting a high-resolution 4.3-inch touchscreen, this thermostat offers unparalleled clarity and automatic brightness adjustment to match room lighting. Ensuring optimal visibility, experience the convenience of remote and voice control through the Vine Thermostat app or Smart Life app, and enjoy compatibility with Alexa and Google Home for hands-free operation. With its 7-day programmable schedules and auto home and away mode, this thermostat not only welcomes you to a comfortable home, but also significantly reduces HVAC costs, compatible with 90% of 24-volt AC systems and requiring a common wire. It supports a wide range of heating and cooling solutions, with additional features including data encryption for security, OTA support, Wi-Fi auto reconnect, fan control, and weather forecasting, all designed to enhance your daily life. Embrace smart living and energy savings with this versatile and user-friendly thermostat. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, the latest model from Ecobee, promises not only to keep your home comfortable, but also to save you money and help the environment. This thermostat features a sleek design with a 4-inch high-resolution touchscreen and intuitive interface. It's easy to navigate and incredibly responsive, but it's not just about looks. This thermostat is packed with features. One of the standout features is the built-in air quality monitor. This sensor provides real-time information about your indoor air quality and offers tips on how to improve it. Plus, the smart sensor included in the package helps manage hot or cold spots in your home, ensuring every room stays comfortable. With an integrated smart speaker, you can choose between Siri or Alexa and control your home with voice commands. When it comes to energy savings, this thermostat truly shines. Ecobee estimates you can save up to 26% on your annual heating and cooling costs. The smart scheduling and occupancy detection features adjust the temperature based on whether you're home or away, maximizing efficiency. With seamless integration, a user-friendly interface, and energy-saving capabilities, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is an excellent upgrade for any home. Discover the future of home comfort with the Levoit Smart Thermostat. Engineered to save energy and reduce costs, this thermostat offers customizable routines and daily energy reports, ensuring your home is eco-friendly. With the ability to connect up to 16 Levoit sensors, you can achieve unparalleled room-to-room comfort. Monitoring each space to find the perfect temperature, its 24/7 scheduling automates temperature adjustments, providing convenience without manual intervention. Control your thermostat from anywhere using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant through the free Sync app, making adjustments effortless. The Eco level setting allows you to balance energy efficiency with temperature precision. Tailoring your home's climate to your preferences, integrate smart scenes by connecting levoit sensors, humidifiers, and air purifiers for comprehensive home atmosphere control. The user-friendly touchscreen features a 4-inch high-resolution display that adjusts brightness according to room lighting, offering clear visibility of temperature, humidity, and weather forecasts. Easy HVAC monitoring alerts you to system malfunctions and temperature deviations. With high compatibility and a C-wire adapter included, this thermostat seamlessly integrates with various heating and cooling systems, offering a smart, efficient solution for smart living. The Honeywell Home T5 Smart Thermostat offers an innovative way to manage your home's heating and cooling efficiently. With its innovative scheduling feature, you can save between 8 and 16% on your heating and cooling bills. Whether you prefer a 7-day flexible scheduling or location-based temperature control, the T5 has you covered. Its geofence technology ensures optimal comfort by adjusting temperatures based on your smartphone's location. Whether you're home or away, experience the convenience of auto home and away mode, ensuring ideal temperatures when you're present and energy savings when you're not. As an ENERGY STAR certified device, the T5 helps conserve energy while providing monthly energy reports and personalized tips for further efficiency. Upgrade to the T5 Smart Thermostat and enjoy both comfort and savings with a smarter, more sustainable home lifestyle. And there you have it, the top 5 smart thermostats for your home, each offering unique features to enhance your home's comfort and efficiency. Which one are you getting? Please let us know.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.